Hello, hello, hello to everyone that's out there. It's Amanda Ray coming back at you with another live video. And I just want to say happy hump day. Today is Wednesday, and I hope that everyone is enjoying their day. Thanks for tuning in. If you are tuning in now, please let me know where you're tuning in from. And if you're watching this later on in the day, please hashtag replay so I can see how many people actually had the opportunity to take a look at this video. We have some exciting things that's going on, and I am completely excited about direct mail marketing. Hey, Steven. Hey, Cheryl. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Kay. Hey, Tasha. Thanks so much for tuning in. For those that don't know, I've been doing direct mail marketing now since 2016. It was actually my breakthrough when I actually started earning a full-time income. I am now a six-figure earner, and I love direct mail marketing. Why? Because it's duplicatable. It's easy to teach people how to do it. And basically, all you need is consistency. If you are consistent, you will see results. Okay, a lot of people out there, they're like, well, it didn't work for me. What is it that I'm doing wrong? But I have a game plan that I want to talk to you about. And after really thinking about this for the last couple of weeks, not only that, this came by request. What I decided to do was put together a Facebook group for all of those who are in direct mail marketing or looking to get into direct mail marketing. I have a Facebook group that's going to teach you the ins and the outs, the do's and the don'ts, and not only that, the blueprint for your success. And the reason why is because I want people to be able to go to one place to get all of the information that they need in order to be successful with direct mail marketing, to get all of their questions answered, be able to interact with other leaders that are doing really well within this industry. And not only that, no more guessing. Okay, a lot of people get into this opportunity or any type of direct mail marketing opportunity, and they are confused or wanting to know, is this right? Is this wrong? Should I do this? Shouldn't I do this? And basically, this Facebook group is going to eliminate all of those questions that you may have, because we're going to really start gearing up because the peak season is here. January is coming around the corner. A lot of people are making their New Year's resolution to start a home-based business. And that's going to go all the way out till about April, May. And you want to be able to get a piece of the pie. How do you do that? Have a game plan, be in it in order to start earning. And not only that, educate yourself on what you need to do in order to be successful. Because that's another thing. You can get out here and you can do a million things, but if it's not the right things, it really doesn't matter. So I'm just excited about everything that we have going on, and I'm really going to take my time to put together these modules that's going to help people to really understand what it takes to be successful from home. Because if you think about it, you have to now reprogram yourself from working a 9 to 5 to actually doing things on your own time schedule, staying consistent, and not only that, being able to do some daily task that's going to actually make a difference in your income. And that's really important. Hey, Jose, thanks for tuning in. Hey, William. Hey, Chris. Hey, Antonio. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Natasha. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. I really appreciate this. Hey, Helen. Hey, Annie. Thanks so much for tuning in. So what I'm going to do is take some time to open up some packages. I went to the mail finally today. I've had a busy week. And you know what's so funny? The thing on top of that, as far as being busy, I'm here in New York and we had really bad weather, like 10 degrees, a ton of ice, not much snow. But I mean, when I say it's cold, okay? I mean freezing cold. So I have my sweater on. I lit my candles back here, got my heat up so that the kids and I can stay warm. So we have our first payment that came in. And this came in from Heidi. Heidi, I received your payment. Heidi came in at the Sapphire level, which is going to allow her to automatically upgrade to the Diamond level. And when you do that, you're able to receive commissions on every single level. The promotion ends tomorrow. Okay, here's the 300 bucks, 2 books of stamps. The promotion ends tomorrow. So for those who are interested, get in so that you don't miss it, because the promotions, they don't come around that often. Okay, I just know that from being in this business for so long. You don't see them too often, and when they do come around, you want to take advantage of them, because to come in at the 2,000, the diamond level is $2,000. Now you can do it for 500, and that makes a lot of a difference. Okay, between 2,000 and 500 bucks. So please take advantage of the promotion. Okay, here I have another mailing that came in that I can't get open. It's, oh goodness. Okay, this came in from Miss Carol from Michigan. Okay, I got your payment. Let's see what we have here. Miss Carol from Michigan. She put it in another envelope. Carol came in at the emerald level, and she signed up with someone else on my team. That's a $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much, Carol. Glad to have you a part of the team. Make sure you get in contact with me or your sponsor so that you can get a website and you can get your customized cover letter. So if I call your name, that's the next step. Do not start sending out your flyers if you're not prepared to send them out correctly. Okay, this came in from Dolores. Dolores, I received your payment. Dolores from Florida. Let's see what we have here. Hey, Shamika. Hey, Tazika. Hey, Sabrina. Hey, Visha. Okay, so we have Dolores. She came in at the emerald level. That's another $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. Right now, I'm up to $340 for the week. This is not including the electronic payments that I've received. Remember, guys, you can also get involved electronically. Yes, you can send in, for those who want to move fast, you're able to send in an electronic payment. So I do have electronic payments that also come in all throughout the week. Felicia from Missouri came and joined at the sapphire level. I'm opening up her envelope now. Felicia. Let's see what we have here. Felicia joined at the sapphire level. She came in directly under me, and that is a $300 payment. So I got another $300 payment, guys, and 2 books of stamps. That now puts me at $640 so far. Thanks so much, Felicia. Make sure to contact me for the next step. Okay, you want to make sure that you're set up for success. And also for your website, guys, please make sure that you send your PDF over to me. I will need that information to work on your website. This came in from William from Missouri as well. And William came in at the, let's see what we have here. William came in at the sapphire level, and he signed up with someone else on my team, and I received a $100 payout and also 2 books of stamps. Okay, so now that puts me at a total of, we're gonna go ahead and add this up, guys. This is just not to brag, but to actually show you what's possible when you actually start to earn consistently with direct mail. Okay, if I can do it, anybody can do it. I did not go to school for this. No one actually said, Amanda, you know, I made a ton of money. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. I've had a lot of ups and downs. I had to figure out what to do, what not to do, and that's how I actually started to have success with this opportunity. So right now, this is what we have that came in the mail: 100, 200, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, $740 with this Impact Mailing Club, which is a direct mail opportunity. And then I also receive 2, 4, 6, 8 books of stamps. So what does that mean, guys? When I start my mailings for the week or for the month, I'm not going to have to pay for stamps because I'm getting them consistently in the mail. And that makes a lot of a difference. Okay, that makes a really, listen, with this business, the most money you're going to spend is not on leads, but on these stamps. This is the most expensive part of the entire process. So the more of these you can get, the less money out of pocket. Okay. Kobe, thanks for letting us know. We got an extension for the promo to the 18th of the month. Okay. Awesome. Guys, that's on a Monday. If people want to get in with me, try to do it by tomorrow, Friday, the latest, because that will give me the weekend to work on your website and your cover letters. I just want people to know if I'm taking too long as far as your cover letters. Give me at least 24 to 48 hours. Okay. I try to get them out as quickly as possible, but at least 2 days to get the website and the cover letter finalized. Okay. At that point, all you need to do is connect that website to your domain and you're all set to go, or to your capture page. If you don't have one, I can also help you with that. So I am excited again, guys. The promotion is here. The Facebook group will be in effect before the end of this month, and I will be making an announcement once the Facebook group is finalized and it's ready for people to actually join and start getting the information that I have. Hey, Kai, thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, Richard. Hey, Johnny, please let me know where you're tuning in from. Hey, Tanya. Hey, Jelly, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Steven, awesome. Send me a message. Hey, Kobe, thank you. Hey, Karma, thanks for tuning in. Again, if I called your name, please make sure that you reach out to me so that I can get you started. Please do not start without me, okay? I just want to say thank you to everyone that tuned in today. Enjoy the rest of your week. Stay warm if you are in New York. If you're somewhere warm, kudos to you. I'm jealous. Yeah. Laverne, send me a message. Send me a message. And yeah, I'm just excited about this, guys. I'm gonna go and make me some dinner for the kids so that they can get in bed for school tomorrow. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay inspired, stay blessed, and I will see you guys again towards the end of the week. Have a good night.